Hi Karthik.
Hi teacher.
How many sense organs?
5 sense organs.
Show me.
Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin.
In which direction sun rises in the morning?
East,
In which direction sun set in the evening?
west,
I can see.
eyes,
I can smell.
nose,
I can taste.
tongue,
I can hear.
ears,
I can feel.
skin.
What is the name of our country?
India,
What is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
How many colors in a rainbow?
7 colors.
When we are celebrating Independence Day?
August 15.
When we are celebrating Republic Day?
January 26.
How many colors in a national flag?
3 colors.
What is the colors names?
Saffron, white, green.
Very good boy.